So everybody keep telling you to start investing into stock market, gold, cryptocurrency, and all the shenanigans that it's out there. And as a young investor just like me, you're like, oh God, what am I gonna supposed to do? What am I supposed to do with this $100 that I have in my checking account and the investment that I have? Like, it's so difficult to know what you should invest into when you have such a little money. And I'm like going through YouTube trying to find out who to listen to. But today I have one basically great advice that I can give you guys if you are starting to invest with your money and you're a new investor and you are a beginner who's trying to invest that $100 and you have no idea what to do, just like me when I started. And that actually $100 is pretty good. I started with like $20, and you know, it is what it is, and we all start as somewhere. So today we're going to be talking about what are the best investments for someone just like you who wants to just start getting into investing and has absolutely no idea where to begin with. So let's get into it. Let's go. What is happening, guys? Welcome to another video. My name is Yousef Zad, and today we're going to be talking about all the investments that you could be doing with your $100 to start off with, and maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more. For me, like I said, it was only $20, and you know, it was a good starting point. I had to start somewhere to start my journey. Like, everybody is investing $100,000 in Bitcoin and $200,000 in stock market and $50,000 in gold, and I'm here sitting, I'm like, okay, so I don't have that kind of money, so what am I supposed to do? Am I just completely lost in this game? Did I lose everything? I mean, where do I begin with? And one thing that you have to realize is nobody starts, I mean, yes, there is those people who start super big because they have the parents or they have a really good income and they have a really good saving, and you know, they're already up there. But for someone just like me and you, maybe we don't have the rich parents to give us the money, and we don't have the six-figure coming to your checking account every month, and we're like, okay, I need to start investing. So one mistake that I made, and that's the one that I want to talk about today and teach you guys and give you guys a little bit of advice, is I started investing in everything. I bought some cryptocurrencies, I bought some stock market, I bought some stuff on stock market, I did some gold investing, even though it was like very, very little, like half of the gram of an 18 karat gold bar that I did, and it was hilarious. You know, when I got that email, I was like, oh God, it's gonna be a long journey in order to make money. And you know, but I kind of like did something of everything that I had no clue and no idea. And I think that one was one of my biggest mistakes of investing into the things that I had no clue about. I had no idea about. I have no idea if they're gonna go up. I had no idea if they're coming down. I was just listening to everybody that I could find on YouTube, including him, and you know, it didn't make sense. But one thing that I wanted to teach you guys and tell you guys about is you need to start investing in the things that you simply understand. But you don't have to completely understand something to start investing into it. By the way, I just got my new iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this thing is a beast. I don't know, you guys tell me if I should do a video about iPhone 12 Pro Max. This thing is amazing, man. The screen, the camera, the battery lasts me all day. So that's gonna be for another video. But the thing that I wanted to basically tell you guys is, yes, do I like iPhone? Yes. Do I like Apple? Yes. Do I know anything about their business model? Absolutely not. But one thing that I know is there is so many other people just like me who are investing into Apple by buying their products. So it's either the iPads or the iMacs or the MacBook Pros or the iPhones or the headphones. There's millions of people around the world who are buying their stuff. So is this a good company to invest into for a short term? Probably not. Can I leave the money on the side for 10 years? Am I gonna see some profit? Absolutely yes. You have to realize all of these companies, a lot of them didn't even exist maybe 10, 15 years ago. So just like Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, all of these apps, they didn't even exist 15, 20 years ago. So when you leave your money on the side and just be patient, sometimes the best thing that you can do is just absolutely wait and let your money work for you. You don't have to necessarily do something. Don't think of it as a way that you have to literally go and invest into something every single day, week of the month, and be no, don't do that. You don't have to invest every single month. You don't have to invest in every little thing that it gets hyped up, either it's cryptocurrency, gold, I don't know, a stock market, anything that is. Don't get caught up into the hype and try to be more consistent than anything else. I think being consistent in saving and investing is the biggest asset for you and the best advice that I can give you guys. So if you like this video, go ahead and comment for me what type of investment is your favorite. How much was your initial investment? Like the video for me. Subscribe to my channel if you like to see videos like this again on your YouTube app, me popping up and talking about the stock market and all the good stuff. I usually talk about money, stock market, gold, cryptocurrency, everything and all about the things that help you guys become richer and wealthier every single day. But again, one advice that I wanted to give you guys, again, you don't have to invest in everything that everybody keep telling you all around the YouTube. So there's so many good YouTubers, honestly, that they talk about money. And yes, in a lot of the things that they talk about, they're correct, they're good, and it would be a good recommendation for you. But don't take it upon yourself to make sure you invest in every single one of the things that you hear on YouTube. A lot of the times, YouTubers are, honestly, I feel like they're not really honest and they're just, trying to make a video so they get as much as views as possible. And it's that they're basically giving you that recommendation. But for me, it's just like really being honest with you guys and talking about the things that I invest myself. I'd like to invest a little bit of money into the gold, just because if you look at the gold for the past 20, 30, 50 years, gold has been always going up in the matter of long-term period of time. And it's something that it's easy. You can just buy the gold coins or gold bars, and it's just easy investment. You can literally set it on the side in the bank or in your house or wherever, and just keep it and let's see your money grow. And all the other stuff that I do, just like cryptocurrency, I do have a couple of videos talking about the Pi and mining Pi cryptocurrency on your phone for free. I'm gonna leave it here. You guys can go ahead and watch it. It's all about Pi. And I mean, cryptocurrency in general, I do have money in Bitcoin, and I think it has a lot of great potential. Is it gonna go to $500 million per Bitcoin? Absolutely not. I don't think it's ever gonna get even to half of that, but it's a good starting point. The best thing for you is definitely start investing in a little bit of other things than just only one thing and one thing. Just you have to realize that if you have $100 and you want to spend that $100 into the stock market, don't go buy $100 worth of Apple shares and just sit, and the time that Apple crashes, you'll be pulling your hair, you would get disappointed, and you just like, oh God, why did I do this with my $100? I don't know, go buy 5 different shares of the 5 different companies. I don't know, buy $20 from Amazon, $20 from Apple, $20 from Google, $20 from a pharmaceutical company, $20 from something that has nothing to do with technology, and kind of spread it around a little bit so you are less in risk of losing your money and hopefully become disappointed at investing and to start your journey. Again, hopefully you guys learned something from this video. Thank you for watching my videos. It really appreciated that you guys are here. I'm thankful for all of you guys. Hopefully you guys had a great Thanksgiving. And man, I'm so ready for this year to be over. It was a great year. But I think 2021, hopefully it's gonna be a better year. So hope to see you guys soon in another video. Have a great day and ciao.